Man 2006 here again. Now, I have a review for you, another review for you. I know it's been a review day for you guys. Now, I have a product review. Now, this one is on a new laptop. Now, a lot of people say, what kind of laptop should you get? Well, I've been researching for a while now. Now, this computer is expensive. It's called an ASUS, or ASUS. ASUS. I think it's ASUS. The number is, it's model number G74S. I'll be doing an unboxing video and then another video of what it is. Pretty much, you know, what it is. So this will be another one of those maybe part ones. I'm not sure. We'll see. So, I'm gonna switch it over to the product unboxing part. Again, this is, I believe, it's an ASUS. Yeah, I think it's ASUS. It's ASUS. ASUS. Yeah, ASUS. I know there's ASUS as well. ASUS. I'm not that sure what the, I know the model number is G74S. It says on the box. So I'm going to turn around to that, and we'll continue with the box. See you soon. This is the laptop I just got the other day. It's, I believe, the model, I think it's ASUS. Does that look like ASUS? I don't know. ASUS. I'm not that good with spelling. But, this computer is a very expensive computer, like you said, before. And the model number is G74 with the, and then it's S, whichever the S means. And there is the information. Again, this computer is a nice computer. I've been looking at this for a while, and then I finally bought it. It's expensive, but it's expensive because of the features that it has. And I'll talk about that later on in another review, or another video. So let's unbox this thing right now. So I'm going to lay this down, and there's the new printer I just bought. As well. I'm just going to bring this up just a tad. And we're going to unseal this thing. Alright, there we go. Got that little tape thing undone, so we're going to hit this little thing here. This little lever. It's up! It's going down. So again, this is the new laptop, the ASUS, or ASUS, whatever you want to call it. Again, this is a 17-inch model. Alright, so I'm just going to out. Wow, got a lot of stuff in this box, it seems, as well. So there's some of the stuff. Let's look what was left in this box here. Is there more? Just the box. Okay, so what else was in the box was this. Let's have a look at this first. This looks like the power adapter for the computer. ASUS, whatever you want to. And there's the adapter as well. So I'm going to move this off to the side. And then you got a little booklet that came with it. Another booklet. And I got the good warranty with them. A little English update information. A user manual on it. This does run Windows 7. I'm not sure what version yet. So let's see what this is. This is the battery for it. And let's put that on over to the side. I'm gonna dump that on the floor. There's nothing in this. That's just the protection for it. And again, this is a huge master computer. So don't be shocked at how big this thing is, because it is a master. It is a 17-inch screen. This is a gaming computer. If I didn't mention, this is a gaming computer. This has really good graphics in it. It has to be for a gamer. And there's the outside of it. ASUS. It's comparable to Alienware, I believe. I'm not that sure. So let's just have a quick little review of the outside. You got two USB 2s here. You have a lock thing. You have your CD-ROM on this side. On the other side, you have 2 more additional ones: the HDMI, Ethernet cord, and your monitor port. On the back, basically you don't have anything on the back. It has a fan because this is a gaming laptop. Alright, and there your power's on the side as well. So, there's that. Done. Out of the box. Alright, let's get this thing up and running. Alright, so here's the battery. Let's get that undone first, because the battery is what makes the power on. I believe this is the battery. Let's see. Is it? Looks like. Oh, lithium battery. So there it is. This is the battery. Now this battery does not last that long, so it's recommended that you leave it plugged in. And it goes right in this port right here. Again, be careful when you put anything into the computer because it could damage it. Okay, so you're going to have to hold this little lever and then push it in. Yeah. Oh my. Is there something protecting it? I also got the good warranty that came with the computer, so I don't have to worry about any issues if I do occur any. Is that in? No, it's not. Ah! Now it's in. Alright, so we're gonna turn it around. Then we're gonna grab the power cords, which are in plastic as well. So I'm gonna undo that. Alright, there's that. Now I'm just going to untwist this. Alright, there's that. I'm going to get the other one out. And untwist that. There's that. Alright, so pretty much, this works. This goes on the, where it plugs in, which is on this side, this one. And then here's the outlet one, which goes into the plug into the back of this, which then goes into the outlet. Alright, there we go. It is plugged in now. Alright, so we're going to end this at this point because it's almost been 9 minutes long. So we're going to have another part series. So this is part 1. Pretty much part 1 has just been unboxing it. And then kind of seeing, just plugging it in. So again, this is the ASUS laptop. G74S. Alright, so into my part 2. You watch my other reviews I've done on like the track phone and like the printer. I just did the review of that. So into part 2. Have a nice day. Stay warm. And I'll see you in the next part 2 of this ASUS, however you say it, G74S laptop review. Unbox, whatever you want to call it. So, see you in part 2.